Welcome to the May 2026 Paper Pumpkin unboxing by Nancy Dodge of YB Stamp, Independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I got my box late, so we are a bit late this month. However, we're still going to do it. Alright. Misty Moonlight for our Stampin' Spot. And we have, I'm going to put this under some black. Wishing You Happiness, some fireworks. It's probably fireworks stuff, but it looks like a bush. Time to Celebrate, and You Are Invited. All right. It's like getting a present every month, isn't it? I love it. I absolutely love it. Okay, get out my scissors. Open this up. Well, the colors are nice and bright, aren't they? I haven't seen all these, so this is exciting. We have some tear and tape, some dimensionals, some gems, envelopes, 3 different kinds. 1, 2, 3. Some, let's see, there's our first card front. Some cutouts. Our second card front. Oops, missed one. There are 3 of each, so a total of 9 cards. Some window cutouts. Our third card front. Look, can you see? I don't know if you can see the purple hue in there also. Some banners. And more die cuts. Alright, I'm going to separate these. I'll be right back. Alright, I have everything ready for card number 1. Card base, lamp posts, light bulbs, banner, tear and tape, stamps, ink, dimensionals, and embellishments. Alright, we're going to stamp first. We'll put these aside. And remember I said this was a bush? Well, I think they're the treetops, so I was close, huh? Okay, I'm going to ink this up. Normally I would use my, what do you call it? My big, but I need a splat mat, sorry. My big stamp pad, ink pad, but I brought it to a class and I can't figure out what I've done with it. So anyway, we're going to just ink up with our little ink spot. That's okay. This is how I do it. I just open it on one side so it flaps open, flip open my, just have all my trees. I think they're 5. It doesn't say, but you know what? This is your card. You can do it however you see fit, right? Right. Alright. It's just meant to give you a tree line. How's that? Looks good. Alright. And then our little banner, of which I've lost already. And it was just, oh, here it is. It flicked off the top. Okay. So the banner goes this way with You Are Invited. So ink that up. so. There we go. Alright, let's start some assembly. We need to put tear and tape on the back of, just find the end of it, there we go, the back of this lamp post. And it's just the right width, so be careful. That's my advice. And then on the bottom, is it the bottom? Yeah, the bottom of the biggest light bulb. And then dimensionals on the top of this light bulb, and the light bulbs, the little light bulbs, one on each. Okay. Then looks like the light post goes down first, like so. Then the banner, whoops, what's on the back of the banner? Tear and tape. I don't know why I always forget the banner. Oversight, I guess. I don't know. So this goes just above the tree line. And then the big light bulb. Oh no. Little light bulbs first. They hang right off this post, I guess. One. Another little one. And then the big one. And then it's hard to see where the gems go. Let's look on the front. Sometimes you can tell. I can't tell at all. Isn't that awful? I see them on the others. I don't think there are any gems on here. Okay. There's our first card. I'll set up for the next. Alright, I have all the pieces of card number 2. Make sure I have it the right way. I guess it doesn't matter which way it goes. I think I like this side better. Alright, the first thing we need to do is stamp Time to Celebrate on the banner. And this banner is in the shape of like a firework, I guess. Time to celebrate. There we go. Stick that aside. Now everything else, this has tear and tape on the back, and everything else has dimensionals. So flip all your pieces over. I don't know if you can see them. The little fireworks each have one in the middle. And there are 3 of those. The side firework has 2. And this big one has 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I tend to put them where it says I should because I worry that something's going to overlap it and I don't want it to squish it. So let's see, I think we'll put this one on first. Get off those pesky ends. And it goes like that. Okay. And then this one goes, whoops, we forgot to put the banner on first. The banner goes first because it's flat. So it looks like it goes underneath here. With this one on top so that it's underneath. Make that even with the top. And then this one here, one here, so see, that's why if you go to mail that, now that's flush. And one down here. And I don't see where it has any gems on it, so maybe those are all for the third card. So here's our second card. I'll be right back with the third one. Alright, we're set up for the third one. So I pre-punched all these out. And I'm going to save these for something. It doesn't require it to be in this card. So that's kind of cool. So we'll stamp first. And very lightly. So it goes this way. I guess so. Yep. That's how it goes. Alright. So it goes this way, and it very lightly, I don't know if you can see that, has the trees. So I'm going to pull out that splat mat again. And my ink. Ink up. Stamp off. Stamp on. So it's really light. Ink up. Stamp off. Stamp on. I'm just going to put 3. I think that's enough. I suppose if you could do whatever you want, remember it's your card. There. Very lightly. And then the banner goes like this. It's kind of a funky banner. I'll show you on the back. So it's got like little funky edges, so the wider part is the top part. So we'll ink that up. Wishing you happiness. Hopefully I got it on right. It's a little crooked, but it'll do. It's handmade, right? Then we'll use the tear and tape on the back. Now, all the way around the edge. If you have stamp and seal and you'd rather use that, I don't see a problem with that. Just as long as you go all the way around. And then the top piece is the trickiest because You don't want to go over the top of your little window. Okay. And then all your lanterns and your banner have dimensionals. So there are 3 lanterns, a big one, 2 smaller ones, and a little one. So the little one has 1. The double one has 2. The big one has 2 down the middle. And the banner has 3 across. Alright, let's put this together. So peel off your pieces. I'm thankful my nails allow me to do this. I know many people struggle with getting this off, and I'm thankful I don't. Alright, this covers the whole card front. So I would suggest putting it on the very edge as straight as you can. And then pushing it down. Alright. Looking at this, I think these go underneath here. This folds back. Use my bone folder to open the windows. And fold back gently or you're going to crush the pieces of the panes. Yeah. Okay. So, double one goes here. Just trying to guess. And the big one goes here. And the little one goes here. And then the banner goes across the bottom like a windowsill. So you'll have to line that up. Like so. Oh, and guess what Nancy did? Nancy did it upside down. We're going to have to fix that. Don't you worry. And then it doesn't say where to put the little fun crystals. I don't know. Maybe they're optional. Looks like they could be on the bottom here. So let's get our little... So, how would you fix this? I'm going to cut it here and mount it on different cardstock. So that's what I'm going to do. But see, we all make mistakes. But, thankfully in paper crafting, we can fix that. So here's our third card. Pull all the others out. There we go. There are our 3 cards for today. Thank you for joining me. I will see you again next month. Until then, happy stamping.